Hello, and again, welcome back to our lectures on helping our suicidal friends. Today, we're going to be discussing safety planning, or making a suicidal safety plan. What we would like to do, ideally, is encourage collaboration in making our safety plan. A safety plan is to help encourage the person to think about what to do in the event of a suicidal crisis. We are not seeking to punish someone or to make them fearful of being punished if they do not follow such a plan. Think of the plan as a continual work in progress that can always be amended and improved in case of struggles to follow the plan. We want to evaluate how likely a person will follow a given step in their safety plan, and we need to directly ask them if they think they are likely to do a given step, and ask them how easy and simple it will be for them. Some common features of a safety plan, here some of them based upon the Stanley Brown safety plan that you can look up online, include factors such as detecting and recognizing warning signs, as we have discussed in the previous video, having a list of coping strategies that can be useful for the person to use, a list of people and places that can offer distractions for the person, a list of people who can offer emergency help and emotional support, and a list of professional contacts and agencies a person can get in touch with. Another aspect of working on our suicidal safety plan is to help our friend think about making their environment more safe to reduce the hazards of committing suicide. One of these includes discouraging the use and ownership of firearms for the suicidal person. You want the person to be able to collaborate with you, such as listing the pros and cons of keeping a firearm around. If this is not possible, though, you can either make the firearm unusable with their permission, lock up the firearm in a gun safe, give the firearm to another family member, neighbor, or friend that can be trusted to have it, or storing the firearm in a gun safe with a list of reasons to help the person remind themselves why they should still be alive. Another thing to affect a person's environment to make it much more safe is to have an open discussion on what items, such as pills, sharp objects, electrical equipment, may cause them harm, and how to restrain or remove those objects. If a person fails to follow a safety plan, figure out what caused that failure. Do not chastise and do not punish the person for failing to follow that safety plan. What you want to do is to improve that plan, make it more robust, and find alternate ways that would help that person achieve the same goals.